Okay. So what I would do is I would take the sides and back nice and tight, nice and short, like normal. Keep the length right here through your bang area. Layer the crown, the very, very tip top. So if you took the very highest point of your head, pull that straight up. From there back, I would cut and layer so that it's a little bit lighter and not heavy, because if it's heavy, it's going to droop down. But then I would keep from the very tip top of your head forward as long as possible. And then after I've done all that, after you've completed that, I would slice out a lot of the hair through the top, basically texturizing it, because by texturizing your hair, it's going to create movement. Movement's going to look more like a wave versus long, straight hair. Long, straight, thick hair is more likely going to fall and be less likely to create any type of wavy texture. So in a nutshell, take your sides and back nice and tight. Take the top of your head, divide it in two. You got the top back and the top front. Layer the top back, and then as the top front, keep it as long as possible, but then texturize a lot of it. That's what I would tell your stylist tomorrow or whenever you're going.
Okay, thank you.
No, thank you, Chris. I appreciate it.